Number 1.
Your best bigger and patented anti-collision pad, greater cushioning effect, intimate protection of the baby. When you put your baby in our playpen, you are free to do other things, homework or business work. The mesh design allows baby to see their parents at any time. And both babies and parents are at ease. The fence uses an external zipper to prevent the baby from climbing out by himself, which is very safe. The fence is strong enough that the baby can stand with the help of the pull ring. The child's playpen is made of strong material and has high suction power. When the parents are sitting on the handrail, the child's playpen can still remain standing and it's very stable. The Your Best Playpen has a lot of space, providing children with a large and safe play area. Your Best Playpen material is super light, detachable and easy to store. When you are outing and traveling, you can take it apart and put it in a storage bag to carry it easily.
Number 2. Number 3.
This installation video is a supplement to our North States Superyard Classic instructions. The Superyard comes from our factory ready to use. Simply unsnap the carrying strap and unfold the panels. As you do, you'll hear the clicking sound of the Superyard's self-locking positioning feature. Locate the end with the gray hinge top. Notice that there is a spring-loaded cylinder peg on the bottom of that section. This feature makes it easy to open and close the Superyard at any part of the yard where there is a gray hinge top. To connect the sections, hold the dark gray hinge section in one hand while moving the other into position. You'll notice there is a tapered pin on the top of that section. There is also a hole in the bottom of that section that fits onto the spring-loaded cylinder peg. Take the section and position it on top of the peg. Apply gentle pressure down on the spring peg while lifting the gray hinge section slightly upward. Then, slide the top tapered peg into the slot on the hinge cylinder. For easy access, you can open the gate at any position with the dark gray hinge top, pressing down on the spring-loaded peg while lifting up and pulling the tapered peg from the open cylinder slot. There are many uses for the North States Superyard, and its strength comes from positioning each section at an angle, never straight. You can even expand the size with an optional 2-panel extension kit. The Superyard can easily be folded and stored compactly. It's portable, durable, and easy to clean. The hinges serve as feet to grip carpet or outdoor surfaces. If using the Superyard on hardwood or tile floors, attach the non-skid foam pads. Please read the precautionary warnings included in the installation documentation. The Superyard Classic from North States, with America's leading line of gates, barriers, and play yards, designed to the highest standards.